Tired of losing leads in the digital chaos? Let's tame the beast and get your Kvcore lead management system working for you in just a minute and a half. First, let's dive into Kvcore's Smart CRM. This is your central hub for all things leads. To get there, simply log into your Kvcore account and click on Smart CRM in the left-hand navigation menu. Now, for the magic. Effective organization starts with segmentation. Use the filter options at the top to categorize your leads. The status filter helps you track where a lead is in your sales pipeline. New lead, active prospect, client, closed, and so on. Customize these statuses as needed. Maybe adding ones such as appointment scheduled or needs follow-up. The source filter tells you where the lead came from, such as a Zillow or a Facebook ad. Next, let's talk about tags. Tags are like digital sticky notes. Use them to add specific attributes to your leads, like first-time buyer, luxury homes, investment property, or even something personal like loves dogs. This makes targeted follow-up campaigns a breeze. Don't waste time tagging leads one by one. Kvcore lets you select multiple leads and bulk assign tags. Just check the boxes next to the leads you want to tag, then click the Bulk Actions button and choose a tag. See, now you have a clean, organized lead database. Remember to regularly update lead statuses and add new tags as you gather more information. This structured approach will help you prioritize your outreach, personalize your communication, and ultimately, close more deals. Now go get 'em.